Senpai will be mine. I don't feel much, I never could. But when I met Senpai, I began to feel love for once, like any normal girl would. I adored him and it felt so good. Some other girls love Senpai as well, but he's mine so those other girls can go to hell. I'll stop anyone who gets in my way. Don't mess with the yandere. Go ahead and try to stop me if you're able. I've got lots of sneaky options on the table. I could ruin someone's social reputation, or just make them face brutal damnation. I'll make sure to go to class and study, burn my clothes and wash up. If I'm ready, I'll be sure to let those martial artists train me, so not even teachers can restrain me. Stay away from my senpai, 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 senpai. Confess, 1 week to kill my rival and then clean up all the mess. But no matter who I murder, girls keep coming for my man. Guess this school year's gonna end with all their blood upon my hands. Go ahead and try to stop me if you're able. I'm aware that my emotions are unstable. This could be my only chance to not be lonely, so I won't let someone take my